102, 130. Okay, right now I want to just get out and look and listen. Let it run a little bit, let it very graciously pass the air through the system because there's a lot of air in it. So we'll pump around just a little bit, but we'll go ahead and cap it. It's from Arizona. 8's showing -2. She's still good. It's all the way at the back. Let's let it get plenty of fuel back in it. All these look good. Graciously pass the air and watch the smoke. Watch as it goes away. The way that starter is absolutely freaking horrible. Flow-by's good. Thank goodness. Okay. And we bought no parts so far. Probably ought to get some clamps. I haven't gotten any for that, but at least it's hooked up now. There would have been fuel all through the exhaust. It's gonna smoke. Until I get one hard run in it to get it up to temperature, it'll burn it all out. And then if it's not smoking, it'll end just like that. We'll see if we're still in diag mode. I'm gonna go drive it, and if the injectors are not showing signs of being bad, I don't want to tear back into it. We'll see. One of those could take a crap, and then I'll be like, all right, let's do it. Let's go. Once it gets hot enough, it all burns off instantly. We do not have boost. Yeah, we got a VGT issue with boost. Showing that, but we do not have boost. We're recovering a little bit, it appears. We'd really recover if we had some boost because it would push. Gosh, it's still cloudy. Still pretty smoky. Back and see why we don't have any boost. I could be seeing a bunch of it just while it's at the point of about to melt all of it off. VGT being at 68 means that we are not maxed out, which means it's working. I don't know, maybe it does look like it's getting better. If it does, then we'll all be happy. All right, here we go. Yeah, I just felt a little bit of the idle. That's probably from that 03 ICP sensor. Yeah, it's getting a lot better. Yeah, we might have just gotten it. Yeah, I just needed it. That last bit was just, it was up to temperature and it all started burning. Even around the turbo, everywhere it started burning. Let's start again now on a fresh moment. This is the fuel pressure. This little bitty 6mm, little bitty skinny guy. And hook it in there, and if I run it down, you can just about see that, can't you? Now watch this, because I've fought this until I Finally put the right tool together. This thing goes right in there. Okay, I'm in it. Now let's, ooh, it's tight. There you go. Okay, let me go get a towel. I mean, generally there's nothing in it. It'll just be like a drop. But not a bad thing to have a towel under there. Get my hand away and you can see it kind of. There you go, and that's what you're left with. So here's fuel pressure gauge. The only thing that works on this is a 9/16. Yeah, no, you can't see. Okay, just go. Stand back here and spin as much as we can until it starts spinning fitting. That's what you got. All right, we're gonna do two things right here. You're gonna tell me if it's leaking fuel, and then we're gonna see the pressure. Well, just right here. Go, 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 go. Okay. Okay, I'm liking that. Obviously, the black line would be where you want it to be. I have that on there because when we drive, I zip tie it to there, and I want to be able to drive down the highway and see it. Timed out. Okay, but that is really good. So I banged a little too hard, huh? It must have just forgot the standpipe, but got everything in there. I mean, if that banged 60 pounds that quick, you know, he got it put together. So that's good. Let's get this thing fired up. All right, let's go for it. Hit the key. Yep. Banged up there. Let's get these screens set up. I kind of want to just start it though. I let it run for a little while. It might start up good. Remember, I didn't crack the passenger side. Let's just go ahead and do it right now. Let's see. Here we go. Okay, the starter fired. That was pretty cool. You know, after doing injectors, a lot of times I have a wives' tale, like urban legend, whatever the hell you want to call it, of not looking at power balance unless I feel a stumble, right? Call it a superstition, call it whatever you want, I don't know. It sounds pretty freaking good right now. I kind of would call it looking a gift horse in the mouth if I want to go look at those numbers. We had to change a front tire on there to get it on the trailer. I don't know that I really want to go down the highway. I'm going to pull this down and change the tire on it. Let's get ready to go for diag drive. Here we go. Oh, that's why I had that black line on there. So when we're going down the highway, if I have the window up, you can kind of gauge where 60 pounds is. That black line says we're good. We pulled it up here to drive. I want to put this tire on here. Let's hope that starter fires again. Pull that wheel off so that it could fit on the trailer. It was had fenders on the trailer in order to fit. He's got the wheel in the back of the truck, so that would really be a disaster, wouldn't it, when you got nice fresh tires like there, and then some yahoo jumps in your truck, takes off on a diag drive, blows the freak tire out, crashes, messes up, damages the fender. Let's not do that. Let's go ahead and jack this thing up and get the tire put on. We'll go ahead and suck it back under there. Be a nice guy, geez, will you? Put a wrench on this thing. All right, guys, what do you think the odds are that this starter actually works? How many more starts do we have? Let's see how it starts. Let's back up a little bit. See that little funky idle right there when I put it in gear and it goes, and it kind of hunts around trying to figure out where it wants to be? 100% symptom of that 03 ICP sensor. Go through the motions, you want to? No EGR valve plugged in, so it will not run a self-test. I actually cleared them already, so they're just EGR. Oh, sending unit. What's that top one? Oh, cylinder 2. Are you serious? Let's go back and clear that real quick. That's not good. is spiking up. ICP regulator right there, 23. That's really good. That's good. We want it low. Thing at 85 right there on VGT, and then when I hammer on the pedal, it should actually drop quite a bit. PCM is not locking the VGT, not looking for more than what it's getting. I mean, 75 is kind of high right now. But when I hammer on it, it should be down 30, 40, 50, but it changes for throttle, so there is no definite of what it should be. Yeah, I feel a little sporadic idle here. Okay, let's see what the VGT does. Is it maxed right now? No, it's not maxed. Okay, so we got something that is telling it to not boost up. Map sensor, mass airflow. You know, I ain't had many problems with mass airflow sensors. Map sensor, EVP sensor, exhaust leaks, a freaking rag stuck somewhere in the freaking engine. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm not sure how it ran for the 3,000 miles. Like right now, I'm traveling. You might not have known any difference with how it is right now, because I can almost get it to 20 pounds. That's not enough. I think we got air conditioning. Should we gamble? Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm really just focusing on VGT because I don't like this no boost. No pressure, still holding good. All right, we're about to get on the highway. We're gonna watch boost down here, VGT percentage. Okay, here we go. If you can see it, because I'm trying to drive. All right, let's see what kind of boost we get. Pressure on the highway, we are good. Okay, that's all I really want to check. That whole gauge is just for that little acceleration. If it's good right there, then we are good. I mean, it gets up to speed, it'll roll. 57. Okay, so let's start all over and figure out what the heck's going on with this boost. If we were way low on air and the PCM is like, hey, I want more air, then we would be seeing black smoke, we'd be seeing VGT going to 84%, trying to get more. The fact that I'm hammering on it right now and VGT is not maxing out says that it's being told not to boost up. So something is telling it not to. Let me process this for a minute. All right, oil cooler coolant. Oh goodness, hang on. Coolant is 186, 194. You're less than 10. Okay. I did give it a pretty good hammer onto it and checked IPR percentage. That's another one. Injector pressure regulator. You don't want that to be 84% almost ever. If you are a tuned truck, if you got SET tune or something like that on it, you will see 84. That's what the tuning does. But factory truck with a factory tuning, you should never see 84. And I saw 79, which 79 is okay. That means we're at the top end of it. That also means that this low boost is not because of high pressure oil. Ooh, I can feel a little jumpiness right there. Here, let me set you down. brightness to it. Well, it's not smoking, it's not banging. We're not worried about there being a hole melted in the piston. There's no smoke coming out. It completely cleared up. We're good. So now I guess if we got bad injectors, we got bad injectors. We'll see when we get back. I mean, I don't know that I would be wanting to change any of these injectors until we get that ICP sensor swapped out. You know, because when I'm under throttle right here, it's not missing. It's only missing at idle, or not even missing. It's just not smooth. So that ICP sensor come before injectors, and like I said, I still hold that. I'd be all the way thrilled. You want to go drive it a little bit and make a decision, see how these things act, because with how these injectors are, I mean, I'd be pushing for a full set. I don't like any of them if they're bad, because the ones that you liked, I have a massive history with. Not those exact ones, but I don't know. Maybe I don't care which ones we put in it. I don't care. I'm just throwing my opinion out. IPR right there. Here we go. I saw 80. The fact that it was counting up slow like that says that we're good. We're good. Because if it saw a problem anywhere in there, a high pressure oil leak, it would have banged to 84 pretty fast. I always love it when a test drive gets us all the way back. Take it, and then, I mean, you could put an ICP sensor in it. Find one. I don't know what brand. I'm not sure, because I always bought Ford ones. And I remember people buying aftermarket ones and weird crap happening. So let's just listen to it. I'm not really hearing a miss, but I am hearing just a funky little idle. More screams to ICP. Now, wouldn't that be cool? See, I don't know if you remember me saying that these ICP sensors have affected many trucks in all kinds of different ways. I mean, who knows? Far-fetched to think that the ICP sensor is causing us to be low on boost. I don't want to say it's impossible, but most definitely something's causing us low on boost. I don't know that it's turbo either. The fact that VGT's not maxing out. I don't know if I want to look at the power balance. I don't think I do. Here, listen. There, you're sitting on it. No, no, I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it till we get an 05 ICP sensor in there. It's actually not bad. It's not bad at all. What I'm gonna do right now is do a little brainstorming on this turbo here, see if I can't come up with an idea with what might be going on with this. And if you guys got an idea, let me know too. Thanks for watching.